Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to generate prescription map for very application in DJI Terra. Let's begin. Click new mission, then go for multispectral, give a mission names. Okay, select the photos and your picture should be taken by multispectral drone or multispectral camera. So you can select multiple photos if you want multiple photos because some farms are big, so maybe one, two or more flights. In this scenario, you need to select multiple photos. And when you select, the camera information come automatically. This is a sample flight. So I select. Once it's ready, check the camera should be tick. Okay, check problem. Once you're ready, should be high resolution, start reconstruction. And then once you start reconstruction, it will try to reconstruction here. So you have to be patient and wait for some minutes. Okay, after few minutes of waiting times, reconstruction complete. Yeah, as you see, this is a RGB map, an EVI. You know the crop health, healthy and healthy. The same because an EVI cannot detect more. Sometimes it require GNDVI when you go for the dense crops. Of course, both is for the dense crops. If you want to go for a spark crop like this map, we go for West AVI. Look, so to understand about the carbon footprints, everything. Okay, this is how we process. Today video is about how to plan, how to generate prescription map. You see here, go here. Okay, ready. So first we go for agriculture application, give a name, and make a boundary here. For example, I want to spray. Look, jetty as an obstacle. Jetty as an obstacle. So the first thing I will do before I start mapping is modify result. As others, control. Okay. Oh, smaller size. Okay. What else? Because what if you didn't modify the drone, flippers will be avoiding always. It's two part. This is the red spot because the red is full. For me, the area the drone should never get close or even fly over. Make sure you modify nicely. Okay, once done, save. For next, make a boundary first, the area you want to apply. Okay. You need to type average is of course average. Poor groups, we require more fertilizer. So 40 kilogram. Good groups require less. like 20, average 30. So better if an agronomist do this, then apply. So you may select only these fields or all the fields. I will do it for all for you. It's all the fields. I'm generating prescription mode. It will take some time. A few minutes later, of exactly 2 minutes later, I got my prescription map. As you see here, some area, this area require less. 20 rates, application rate less. This area require more. So when you look this information, I would suggest to use the prescription map. You may turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. So yeah, see the trees, this area is fine better. So normally until now, many proven resolve benefit of optimizing fertilizer and foliar chemicals. So I hope this video will help you to know how to generate. For the bonus, I will include a generate route. So for the generate route, I will generate to see how my fly route. But first, let me turn off full set calibration because I didn't select any GCP, so I turn off. So next, generate route. You will look how our fly route close, zoom in, and you see here it's white because when I mark, it show up plan properly. See, that's why now we avoid this obstacle. Okay, so the lesson is modify your plan properly. You can make it 3 meters, make it 3, arrows, it's okay, 6, 6. Yeah, every time you change some parameters, we're trying to change again. Get the flippers, want to change, so you may change like this. Okay, see how the flippers let me change. Okay, I think that's okay. So you may turn on and off. Okay, you can see. So I hope this video will help you to do it by yourself, generating prescription map. Subscribe for more, and I would like to request you to share this video for your friends who may need how to generate prescription map. Sharing is caring. Please share with more. That is good. You help me a lot.